Welcome back to Sunday Funday, where we review our M1 Finance Roth IRA. In this video, we are going to review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. This review will be for the months of July and August. As of right now, we are up $4,021.17, and we have received a total of $581.93 worth of dividends. And our account balance is up to $22,585.34. As far as our deposits go, we fully funded our account back in June with a total of $532. As far as dividends received for the month of July, we received $15.47 from SPHD, $28.48 from QYLD, $3.39 from VCLD, for a total of $47.34. As you can see, we got paid by all of our ETFs last month for a total of $134.01, and we still need to get our dividend from SPHD and from QYLD for the month of August. Those should be pretty much about this amount right here. So the account has grown quite a bit. The cool thing is the purchases. As far as the purchases, as I told you earlier, we put no money in this account, but because of our dividends, we were able to add basically a little over half a share of VTI, and which cost us about $136. So that's $136 of passive income that our money made that was able to purchase more shares of VTI, which is going to produce us more money. So that's pretty cool that our money is officially 100% making us money at the moment. I do want to show you real quick just what it looks like in M1 Finance. I know I've kind of just been doing the spreadsheets, but this is the dashboard for the Roth IRA. Basically, you set up your pies in this little section. You put let me see if I can show you. You put what funds or ETFs or individual stocks you want in here. You put what percentage of your portfolio you want them to be. And then M1 Finance, as you deposit money, will invest the amount of money in the lowest slice of pie. So like in our case, VTI is supposed to be at 40% and it's only at 24%. So basically it's going to put whatever money you deposit into VTI until it catches up with the next lowest one, which is VYM. So once these two catch up to each other, whatever money you put in there, it will split it up between them automatically. But it is pretty neat to see this. They have the nice little chart of the value of your account over time, and you can switch it between all the last year, the last quarter, the last 1 month, the last week, the last day. But I really like M1 Finance. I found it's probably the closest brokerage account to your 401k. Basically, with your 401k, your employer takes your money out of your account and it automatically goes in there, and then the brokerage company that handles that automatically invests your money for you no matter what the price is. It's on the same day all the time. With M1 Finance, it's kind of the same thing. You link your bank account to it, and then you just basically click this button, select the account you want to put in, put the amount of money in there, and then hit continue. And then on the next trading day, and then M1 Finance will automatically buy whatever ETF stock it needs to buy at 9:30 in the morning the next day. And it's also one of the only brokerage accounts, it seems like, that you can deposit your money the same day and then it'll buy something the same day. A lot of the other brokerage accounts, it seems like they put you on margin, and then if you do that so many times, you end up having to pay margin interest and stuff. So I could be wrong on that, but Webull used to let you buy on margin, and then they kind of got a little more strict on that. So most of the brokerage accounts, you have to wait for your money to settle, which usually takes 3 to 5 days. That's one nice thing, is you don't really get to pick the price with M1 Finance, but if you're ready to invest your money and you get your money in there before 9:30, it usually buys it that same day. But back to the spreadsheet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is one of those accounts that everybody with the taxable income should have, because it'll really help you when you retire. It's a great way to build wealth because all of the gains you occur in your account is tax-free when you pull it out after 59 and a half, and it's a good way to secure a healthy retirement financially. If you're interested in using M1 Finance, there is a link in the description below where you can check out all the details. If you sign up and fund your taxable brokerage account with $100, M1 Finance will give you $50. So That's something, if you're interested, make sure you check it out. Also, this is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio, our M1 Roth IRA, our Fidelity Health Savings account, and our M1 growth portfolio. Between all of the accounts on Sunday Funday, we have gotten our accounts all the way up to $38,707, and we received a total of $1,212.38 in dividends, which is pretty impressive. As you can see, this is our Roth IRA account. We've got a lot of money in there, and then these are all of our other accounts. So you can see all of the growth. There are a couple stocks where we're down on them. We're down about $21, $22 altogether on a couple stocks, but the rest were pretty much up. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch other investing videos, make sure you click the links on the screen or in the sidebar. Thanks for watching.